After flirting with EVs for decades, GM is ready to compete with Tesla. At least that's the impression. Hello everyone, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please, as I get started to telling you a very interesting story with Ty McMahan from Tesla Motors Club, please share this video and subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and also like this video to show your appreciation of Ty McMahan's work. The General Motors EV1 was the first vehicle produced by the company to wear General Motors on the nameplate. America's largest automaker reserved its name for an electric vehicle. But the enthusiasm was short-lived. Though it was the first mass-produced electric vehicle from a major automaker, the EV1 was only produced from 1996 to 1999. The entire EV program was shut down in 2003, with GM saying it could not sell enough of the cars to make the electric product line profitable. That excuse, however, has received plenty of criticism, mostly suggesting that GM axed the electric vehicle program because, if successful, it may disrupt other profit centers for the company. Do you remember there was a documentary, Who Killed the Electric Car? The documentary, Who Killed the Electric Car, claims GM scrapped the EV1 even though it had steady demand. The film includes footage of GM employees on the EV1 team discussing a waiting list for the car. Electric power didn't return to GM vehicle until the Chevrolet Volt plug-in hybrid debuted in late 2010. The Chevrolet Spark EV was then released in June 2013, becoming the company's first all-electric passenger since the EV1. The next important introduction for GM's electric efforts was the Chevy Bolt, which hit streets in 2016. The car quickly attracted accolades, including the 2017 Motor Trend Car of the Year award. The car sold about the same number of units that year as Tesla's Model S and Model X offerings. Then came the Tesla Model 3 in 2018, which clinched the sales leaderboard for Tesla. While GM reportedly takes a loss on every Bolt sold, it's charging forward with a comprehensive plan to electrify its offerings across its portfolio of brands. Last month, the company held a show press event to announce that it will have 20 electric models in showrooms by 2023, some even sooner. A large SUV version of the Bolt is expected to debut later this year. A refresh of the car, modest styling changes, slight bump in range to 259 miles per charge. All of this has been delayed until 2021 due to the outbreak, due to the virus. Next, GM will bring back the Hummer name for an all-electric GMC pickup. Having one of the big American pickup builders borrowing the tough styling of the Hummer will make for a great electric offering to the traditional pickup public. With a schedule released in 2022, the GMC Hummer EV will come just after the Tesla Cybertruck tests the electric pickup market in 2021. It will be an exciting era for pickups as electrification and new players create the need to innovate and add utility beyond battery power. See some of the Cybertruck's promised features like onboard power for tools and loading ramp built into the tailgate. Of course, GM will also rush out an all-electric version of the crowd-favorite crossover SUV. It will come in the form of a Cadillac dubbed Cadillac Lyric, though Cadillac canceled the April 2 debut of the vehicle due to the virus. But the Lyriq and the Hummer are expected to arrive in showrooms by 2022. The company has yet to cancel the May unveiling of the Hummer. Who knows, maybe things go and improve much faster and there is no need to cancel the Hummer event. Our team accepts the challenge to transform product development at GM and position our company for an all-electric future, Mary Barra, GM chairman and CEO, said in a release. And I quote her again, "What we have done is build a multi-brand, multi-segment EV strategy with economies of scale that rival our full-size truck business with much less complexity and even more flexibility," she says. GM is calling its EV platform Ultium, describing it as a modular propulsion system to be used across a range of vehicles. And the Torque News YouTube channel, I've spoken about Ultium on a number of occasions. GM highlighted a few reasons it thinks it can leverage its experience, scale, and the Ultium system to be competitive in electric vehicles. Flexibility. GM plans to use the same platform to build a wide range of trucks, SUVs, crossovers, cars, and commercial vehicles. The company believes the Ultium system enables them to compete for nearly every customer in the marketplace today, whether they are looking for affordable transportation, a luxury experience, work trucks, or a highly performance machine. Ultium's capital efficiency. GM can spend less capital to scale its EV business because it is able to leverage existing property, including land, buildings, tools, and production equipment such as body shops and paint shops. Complexity reduction. Electric cars are less complex, and that will have a long tail impact for GM's operations. For example, GM plans 19 different battery and drive unit configurations initially, compared with 550 internal combustion powertrain combinations available today. Compare 19 different battery and drive unit configurations with 550 internal combustion powertrain combinations available today. Rising customer acceptance. GM points to analysts who see swift adoption of electric vehicles as more models are launched in popular segments, charging networks grow, and the total cost of ownership to consumers continues to fall. The next one is interestingly. Interestingly, GM and Honda have agreed to develop two all-new electric vehicles for Honda based on GM's Ultium batteries. The exteriors and interiors of the new electric vehicles will be exclusively designed by Honda, and the platform will be engineered to support Honda's driving character. Additionally, Honda plans to make GM's hands-free advanced driver assist technology available. The cars will be manufactured at GM plants in North America. Sales are expected to begin in the 2024 model year in Honda's United States and Canadian markets. GM's new Ultium batteries are unique because they can be stacked vertically or horizontally inside the battery pack. This allows engineers to optimize battery energy storage and layout for each vehicle design. Battery packs can vary from 50 to 200 kilowatt hour, which could enable a GM estimated range up to 400 miles per charge or more on a full charge with 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration as low as 3 seconds. Motors designed in-house will support front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and performance all-wheel drive applications. The company, which sold about 150,000 electric vehicles last year, expects sales of its electric vehicles in the United States and China to exceed 1 million a year by 2025. Tesla certainly has a big head start in electrification compared to many auto manufacturers, but GM has been testing the technology and the market for decades. Yes, GM's electric offerings are going to be competitive with Tesla. They will build comfortable, affordable, reliable electric vehicles and have the ability to do it at a massive scale. But thankfully, Tesla forced the competition. They will likely continue to force the legacy automakers into trying something new, into trying more electric cars, into trying cars with more renewable energy sources. Thanks for watching and listening, friends. Please subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and like this video to show your appreciation of the authors who created this information and brought it to you and reached to our Torque News reporters and viewers. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I will see you in our next report.